Blenders have become an essential part of modern kitchens, and with a vast array of options available, finding the right one can be overwhelming. The Ommo Blender offers a blend of power, versatility, and convenience that stands out in the crowded market. This professional-grade blender is designed for people who demand performance, whether you're making smoothies, shakes, or blending tough ingredients like nuts and ice. Here's a detailed review to help you decide if this is the right blender for your needs. The Ommo Blender boasts a sleek and modern design that fits perfectly into any kitchen decor. The blender is equipped with a large 60-oz BPA-free jar, providing ample capacity for making large batches of smoothies or shakes for the whole family. The jar is durable and designed to handle both hot and cold ingredients, ensuring versatility in your blending needs. The blender's base is sturdy and features anti-slip feet to keep it stable during operation, even when blending tough ingredients. One of the standout features is the unique lid design, which includes a handle that makes it easy to open and close without spilling. This thoughtful touch adds to the blender's user-friendly experience, making it easier to manage during busy meal preparations. The Ommo Blender's components are also dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze, a significant advantage for those who want to minimize kitchen chores. The real strength of the Ommo Blender lies in its powerful 1800 watts motor. This high-performance motor enables the blender to handle a wide variety of tasks, from creating silky smoothies to crushing ice and blending nuts. The motor is paired with durable, food-grade 304 stainless steel blades designed to crush and blend even the toughest ingredients with ease. The 6-blade design enhances the blending process, ensuring that all ingredients are thoroughly mixed for a smooth and consistent result. This blender is particularly well-suited for those who enjoy frozen drinks. Whether you're making a protein shake after a workout or a refreshing frozen cocktail on a hot day, the Ommo Blender can handle it. Its ice-crushing capabilities are impressive, and the blender works efficiently to create the perfect texture, whether you're blending fruits, vegetables, or ice cubes. One of the key features that set the Ommo Blender apart from the competition is its variable speed control and pulse function. These options give you complete control over the texture of your blends. The variable speed dial allows you to adjust the blending speed according to the ingredients you're using, ensuring that you get the desired consistency every time. Whether you want a smooth puree or a chunky salsa, this blender lets you customize your blend with precision. The pulse function is another useful feature, especially when you're dealing with tougher ingredients like nuts or when you need a quick burst of power to finish off a blend. This function gives you an added layer of control, allowing you to fine-tune your results without over-blending your ingredients. The 60-oz jar is ideal for making large batches of drinks, which makes the Ommo Blender perfect for families or for those who like to prepare their meals in advance. The large capacity means you can blend more at once, saving you time in the kitchen. The jar is also designed to be easy to handle, with a comfortable grip and an easy pour spout to minimize mess. Cleaning up after blending is often a hassle. The Ommo Blender makes it easier. The dishwasher-safe parts, including the jar, lid, and blades, allow for a quick and easy cleanup process. You can simply toss the parts into the dishwasher and get back to enjoying your meal. For those who prefer to hand wash, the blender's design makes it easy to rinse and clean, with no small crevices that are difficult to reach. Durability is a key factor when choosing a blender, and the Ommo Blender delivers in this area as well. The stainless steel blades are designed to withstand regular use, even when dealing with tough ingredients like ice and nuts. The BPA-free plastic jar is shatter-resistant, ensuring that it can handle the demands of everyday use without cracking or breaking. The blender also comes with a 3-year satisfaction guarantee, providing peace of mind for buyers. This warranty covers any defects in materials or workmanship, ensuring that you're investing in a product that is built to last. The noise level of the blender is another aspect that users appreciate. While all blenders produce some noise, Ommo Blender is relatively quiet compared to other high-powered models, making it a more pleasant addition to the kitchen, especially in the morning when others might still be asleep. The blender's design and ease of cleaning are also commonly praised by users. The dishwasher-safe parts and the unique lid design make it easy to use and maintain, which is a significant advantage for busy individuals who don't want to spend extra time on cleanup. Final thoughts. The Ommo Blender is a powerful and versatile blender that offers excellent performance for a variety of blending tasks. Its strong motor, durable blades, and large capacity make it an ideal choice for those who need a blender that can handle everything from smoothies, frozen drinks, nut butter. The variable speed control and pulse function give you the flexibility to create the exact texture you want, while the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup easy and hassle-free. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a home cook looking to expand your culinary options, or someone who needs a reliable blender for daily use, Ommo Blender is a solid investment. Its combination of power, convenience, and durability makes it a standout choice in the crowded blender market. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.